Are you trying to figure out how much it actually costs to manage your waste or your hazardous waste properly? Are you wondering what you'll pay for audits, registration, ongoing disposal, training, and compliance? Or looking for a number to take it all off your plate entirely? This video is for you. By the end, you'll know what to expect to spend and how to get a fast, customized estimate for your operation. Hi there, I'm Doug Ruhlin, Principal Environmental Consultant here at RMA. We help companies across the United States stay compliant with environmental regulations, including everything related to waste and hazardous waste. If you're trying to figure out what all this costs, let's jump in. Let's start with your waste audit, because that's usually the first step. At RMA, a proper waste audit goes deep. We look at the types of waste you're generating, how your waste is stored and labeled, how it's handled and transported, what records you're keeping, whether you're following both federal and local rules, including whether or not you're appropriately and correctly registered at a waste generator, and where you can improve and exactly what you need to do next. Most waste audits range from about $1,500 to $5,000, depending upon your facility's size and complexity. But it's worth it. It gives you a clear roadmap forward and often surfaces ways to reduce waste, risk, and cost. Next, hazardous waste generator registration. Once your waste streams are identified, you may need to register as a hazardous waste generator depending upon how much hazardous waste you generate. Here's what that usually costs. Very small quantity generators can cost between $100 and $500. Small quantity generator registrations can cost between $500 and $1,000. Large quantity generators can cost $1,000 or more. To be clear, these are fees that are often required by the regulators for the registration itself. If a consultant is helping you prepare and submit your registration, tack on another $1,000 or two. But registration is just the start. You'll also have to meet the ongoing requirements tied to your generator status. And what are those ongoing compliance costs? That's where many companies underestimate the investment. Here's what you'll likely be paying year after year. Handling and disposing of waste through a certified hauler, often several $1,000s annually, depending upon your waste volume and type. Labeling, storage, and container management. Supplies and proper containers can add up quickly. Employee training, typically needed annually, often running $500 to $2,000 or more, depending upon the head count of personnel who need the training. Record keeping and reporting, which can either eat up internal time or require outside help. Emergency planning and spill response kits, required for many sites and another ongoing expense. These costs can vary widely, but for many facilities, ongoing compliance costs run anywhere from a few thousand to tens of thousands of dollars per year. So what about the big picture? If you want to build or overhaul your entire waste or hazardous waste program from the ground up, RMA's comprehensive programs typically cost between $2,500 and $30,000. That covers your initial waste audit, waste stream analysis and hazardous waste determinations, generator status classification and registration, written handling, storage, and labeling procedures, staff training, disposal guidance, record-keeping systems and compliance calendars, and reporting and contingency planning. Now we know that's a wide range because every facility is different. That's why we built a waste programs and approvals pricing calculator here on our website. It gives you a fast, tailored estimate. So instead of guessing between $2,500 and $30,000, you'll get a much narrower range that fits your actual needs. You'll find it under the pricing calculator section of our website. So here's the bottom line. Waste and hazardous waste compliance isn't one and done. It's an ongoing responsibility with real annual costs. But with the right plan in place, it's totally manageable, and we're here to help you do it right. Contact RMA today and we'll help you build a program that fits your operations, your compliance goals, and your budget.